If you want to add emojis to your Discord channels, don't worry. Emojis can make your server look more organized, attractive, and easier to navigate. Many server owners use emojis in channel names to highlight important sections, categorize channels, and give their server a more professional appearance. Whether you want to add gaming emojis, announcement icons, music symbols, reaction emojis, or custom server emojis, the process is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add emojis to Discord channels in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Then navigate to the server where you want to add emojis to your channel names. Make sure you have permission to manage channels, since regular members usually cannot edit channel names. Next, locate the channel you want to modify. Right-click the channel name on desktop or press and hold the channel on mobile until the options menu appears. From the menu, select Edit Channel. Once the channel settings page opens, look for the channel name field. This is where you can customize the name and add emojis. Now, place your cursor at the beginning or end of the channel name, depending on where you want the emoji to appear. Open your device's emoji keyboard and choose the emoji you would like to use. For example, many servers use a megaphone emoji for announcements, a controller emoji for gaming channels, a music note for music channels, a camera emoji for media channels, or a chat bubble emoji for discussion channels. Select the emoji and insert it into the channel name. After adding the emoji, review the channel name to make sure it looks the way you want. Once you are satisfied, click Save Changes or confirm the edit. The channel name will immediately update and the emoji will become visible to everyone in the server. If you are using a computer and do not know how to open the emoji keyboard, there's a quick shortcut. On Windows, press Windows key and period. On Mac, press Control, Command, and Space together. This opens the built-in emoji picker where you can browse and insert emojis easily. Another useful option is copying emojis from websites or other Discord servers. Simply copy the emoji you want and paste it directly into the channel name field during editing. If your server has custom emojis, it is important to know that custom server emojis generally cannot be used directly inside channel names. Channel names typically support standard Unicode emojis available on your device. For the best compatibility, use regular emojis from the built-in emoji keyboard. You can also add emojis to channel categories, not just individual channels. Edit the category name the same way and insert emojis to help separate different sections of your server. Try to keep channel names simple and readable. While emojis can improve appearance, using too many can make channels harder to identify quickly. 1 or 2 relevant emojis are usually enough to make a channel stand out. If the emoji does not appear correctly, make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Older app versions may not display some newer emojis properly. So that's the easiest way to add emojis to Discord channels in 2026. The main steps are opening channel settings, editing the channel name, inserting an emoji using your device's emoji keyboard, and saving the changes. Most server owners can customize their channels in less than a minute using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, server customization tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.